Morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Friday, August 23rd, excuse me. So yesterday I hit my daily loss limit. So that was kind of a drag. I hit my loss limit, then I stopped. And then this morning I knew today was going to be news event. So I went ahead and decided to wait till after the news. So I hit record and something happened. So I'm not sure what's going on. So you can see the market's live. I hit kill switch at 1035. So I'm just going to scroll my bar over so you can see right about where I started, which was right here. It was about 11 minutes after the news was announced. So I took a short trade here thinking it was going to go short and I got stopped out. And then I took a trade. First target hit, second target hit in profit. Then I had a target one hit on the next trade, and then I took a loss on target two. And basically, that was the same story on the next trade. I took a trend trade, hit target one, target two did not hit target. So I was in there pretty good. And then same thing here, target one, target two stopped out. So I was kind of just barely hanging on. And then, oops, let me go back a little bit. I was just barely hanging on. And then it went long here and I entered the trade and it stopped me out and then it ran. So I was already in the hole. I think I was down. Gosh, I think I was negative. Pretty sure I was negative. And then I took a trend trade here and that basically hit target one. And then target two basically took me all the way down and that got me my 1035. So this is a live market. I'm going to scroll over to the right so you can see the market's still moving. So if you're still in, you could still be catching a lot of these moves right here. All of those would be good trades. So I went ahead and stopped my automation at 1035. So just want to give you guys an update. Apex Trader Funding is having 80% off sale. They're running a really pretty cool sale actually, and I think you guys should consider it. So their big accounts are on sale. So they've dropped the price on their 300 to 50s, and I think even the 150s. And then you can take the 80% off on top of that. So that's pretty cool. You can get a pretty cheap just a regular eval if you want to get a 50K, but if you get like a 300K, you can get it pretty cheap. And then the cool part is that any account that you pass, I think through, I want to, don't quote me on this, I think it's the 15th, so you have some time, but you can still get a $85 lifetime fee. Their monthly fees can be starting at like 150 on a 50K or a lifetime fee. I think it's like somewhere around the same amount, pretty close to it. But now the lifetime fees are like 85. And that's a pretty good bargain because you can take, a lifetime fee, $85. That's pretty affordable. And then you're good to go. You don't have any more out-of-pocket costs, so that's pretty cool. So that I suggest that you give it a look. As always, you can look for the code in my description, and that definitely helps support the channel. But other than that, folks, I want to give you guys an update. Next week, starting on Monday, I'm going to be traveling, so I'm not sure how much recording I'm going to be able to do next week. I'm going to try to record on Monday morning, Friday, and then anything in between, it'll probably be the Ripper One AI Pro while I travel. I don't think I'll be able to get a chance to really do much trading unless I do in the overnight session or something like that, the London session, maybe Tokyo. Maybe I'll jump in then and see if I can get a couple trades. But other than that, just want to give you a heads up that next week is going to be kind of minimal as it relates to my content, but hopefully I get a chance to connect with you all next week. So with that, folks, I know you didn't get to see the trades in action, but you can see I did hit my daily goal. It started right here, loss, winner, small loss, small loss, small loss. So I was trying to hang in there, and then then I took that monster trade right here. and it still ran. Like I stopped out here because I moved my trail stop, but this thing would have just ran all the way down here. Look at that. So this 1035 probably would have been like probably 1600 easy. But I should have just let it go. But the market was moving really quick, so I didn't want to give up a whole bunch of profit because I was already at goal. So I missed out on that, but that's just the way it goes. So with that, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you on Monday. Take care now.